just over here.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, it's just down.
Ribbon here, you look very nice and red because you have the brown hair and the brown eyes. You totally would. Okay? And we have 3 coins because 3 is the magic number. You being an educated girl, you already know this. I ain't got to explain this to you. Would you put the red ribbon through the holes? Because this is how the ancient Chinese people would carry their money around. And not only that, they always...
All of them?
Yes, all of them. See, if you do this, she trusts you, but she don't trust me. Sure, she thinks I'm cool, but she trusts you. Yes. Now,
I don't know about that.
well, she's probably not attracted to me. She's probably more attracted to you. But she thinks I'm cool nonetheless. But she trusts you. Maybe that's why you should do it, because she's attracted to you. And you know what? Like you can see, it's really on there. Now, may I see your hand? Now, on that note, because she is attracted to you, she feels more comfortable with you, I think we should have the magic happen in your hand, because I think that she would agree with me. It'd be better if the magic was in your hand. Now watch this. You can see. Now don't fall asleep out there. Don't fall asleep, okay? Now you see this? You can feel it. It's really on there, right? Yeah. Look, I spin the coins around, okay? Yeah. Now don't get distracted by what I say, and don't blink your eyes, okay? Burn my hands like the hot sun as the coins of fortune, prosperity rain upon you, you lucky girl. Now, 3rd time is the charm, isn't that right? And I have a confession for you. When a lot of people watch me now, they often become distracted by the wise owl. Did you know that? Not you girls. But you know what I do when I become distracted? And it happens to the best of us. What I like to do is I close my eyes and I do meditation. I think a lot of people underestimate the power of meditation. You can see it's really on there, right? And I have 2 coins, you can see that, right? But she has the special coin. And I want to do a magic trick with this coin. Hold on to these coins very tightly. Turn your hand over. Put your other hand on top, okay? Now, you see this coin? We're going to make this coin disappear right before your coffee brown eyes. Take a look in your hand.
Too much.
Try to see one of our friends' reactions to a new haircut.
Oh, Jonathan's here.
Where is she?
It should be around the corner. Wait, does that actually look good then? Like that?
Oh, nice flat. Push it up a bit. Oh, just leave it. Oh, she is. Oh my god, those fucking ugly pants.
I'm in a real bad way. No, I didn't even feel like sweating. Do you like my hair? It's not that bad. Technically, it's not that bad, eh? And it's straight. I'm like, I don't think that's very helpful. I think my first one was better. Woo!
Your mascara.
No, like an eyelash got in my eye and it flew out.
It seems to be.
Have you done mascara before?
Yeah, once.
You do it really thick. That's not even thick, eh?
No.
Your eyelashes are all like funny.
Here, Johnny.
I'm not grabbing it on tape. One.
Oh, oi. They're finished.
We made it.
We saw their last like 4 seconds. They went exactly for. Oh, they went for exactly 5 minutes.
What?
I can see the cars. Look at taxi. Oh, yo, where are they? They're over here. Wait.
Where are they going?
They're over here. I think
We're doing this way. We're going this way.
where are they? They're just over here.
They're everywhere.
I was holding my phone the whole time running. What a Scots fan. They're echoing, that's what. Or if you're in those apartments, that'd be so cool.
Sounds like a wall.
Oh wait, no, this way. Oh, just stay here, it's fine. Oh, there's gonna be heaps of people.
No, we'll go by the wow.
Oh.